Hello, good morning everyone. This is my second part of crochet. In the first part I showed you how to make the slip knot and how to make the chain stitch. One more time I'll show you that one. Hold this thread like this and make a loop like this, and through the loop you have to bring this one up and pull it. So this is the first step you have learned in the first part. Insert like this. So first hold this one, go down, come up like this, go down and hold the knot like this, and with the right hand we are handling the needle at the flat portion. Now insert the needle inside this and make the chain stitches. That is, starting the first chain, always the needle should be to the left of the thread, this running thread, and hook facing us like this. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I am stopping with 15. This stitch is called chain stitch. Once you are thorough with this stitch, we can move to the next stitch, that is single crochet. So after making 15, I am starting the single crochet. So for this single crochet, we have to leave the first chain. So don't count the loop on the needle. Leave the first one. From the second, we have to start the stitch. Okay, insert in the second chain like this. It is like this. Insert in the second chain, leaving the first one. Insert in this. Then bring this thread up through the chain like this. Now we have 2 loops on the needle. Yarn over the needle and pull through the 2 loops. Pull through the 2 loops on the needle. Now again we are making another stitch in the next chain. This is the second one, and this is the third one, and this is the fourth one, like that. So in the next one I am doing the next stitch, that is single crochet only. So insert and pull the thread up like this. Now we have 2 loops on the needle. Through these 2 loops we have to bring this thread. Yarn over, again I am showing, yarn over, hold the thread with the hook and pull it like this. So this is the second stitch. We can see chain like things here. These things we can count how many stitches we are making. Again inserting in the third one, pulling the thread, again yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. This one continue till the end. I'll show you how to do this one. Observe carefully and practice this one. This last part you hold with these 2 fingers. Till we get practice, no, fingers will be paining little bit, but once we are used to, this will be very nice and easy. Very easily we can make this one. Very interesting. We can make so many products with crochet. It's a really good hobby. So in each chain we are making 1 single crochet. Yarn over. See, for each stitch we can see 2 straight lines like this. This is the next one. These 2 are the next one. These 2 are the next one, like this. On top of it we can see the chain here. So I am making the single crochet in the last chain. So total we will have 14 stitches here. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Because we left the first one here. Now we'll make one more row on top of it. How to move to the next row I'll show you. Make a chain, then turn this one like this, reverse. Now we have to make the single crochet stitches on in each of the stitches here, previous row. We have to leave the first one because already we have made a chain here. Leave the first one, and from the second we have to make the insert here. See this one, we have to leave this one. This is the second one. Insert here. We can see the 2 loops here. Bring the running thread up with the needle. Now yarn over and bring through the 2 loops. Again insert. We can see some small dot like thing here. Insert here so that we'll have the 2 loops on the needle. Bring it up. Okay. So this is single crochet. It's very useful stitch in crochet. See, here we can see the gap. In this we are inserting. At the end we can't see the stitch properly because when we started here we left one chain when you are making the first row. So here also we have to make a stitch, otherwise gradually it will become cross. That is, the number of stitches will reduce gradually. One stitch in each one row. So make it sure that you will make a stitch here also in this chain, last one. This is the chain part. In this insert and bring the thread up. Now it is even. We have same number of stitches as in the first row. To move to the next row again, we make a chain and then turn, and we make the same number of stitches here. Again, after finishing the row, we have to make one chain, turn, and we make another row. Like that, whatever width we want, that much width we can make with the same single crochet. Practice this one and let me know how do you like this one. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Bye.